Exeter Tower, good morning, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra.
Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra Exeter Tower, Papa.
Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra, is Ikarus C42, hangar 52 north side. Request taxi for VFR2 Bolt Head. Information Oscar, QNH 1023.
Golf Sierra Sierra, roger taxi holding point Echo 1, runway 08.
Taxi hold Echo 1, Golf Sierra Sierra. Golf Sierra Sierra, Echo 1 ready for departure.
Golf Sierra Sierra, roger hold position, squawk 0430.
Hold and squawk 0430, Golf Sierra Sierra.
Golf Sierra Sierra via Echo 1, backtrack as required, line up runway 08.
Backtrack line up 08, Golf Sierra Sierra.
Golf Sierra Sierra, right turn out, runway 08, wind 07006, clear for takeoff.
Right turn 08, clear to take off, Golf Sierra Sierra. Happy?
Yep.
Greenstone 93 X-ray stand 4, request push and start.
Greenstone 93 X-ray, start up, pushback approved, taxiway Alpha, runway 08.
Push approved and taxiway Alpha for runway 08, Greenstone 93 X-ray.
Golf Sierra Sierra, contact Exeter radar 128, just
We're going to
198.
fly over beautiful days then.
No, we can't. Contact Exeter Tower, Exeter radar 128.198, Golf Sierra Sierra. Hey, what did you say? Sorry, about beautiful days?
So we won't fly over beautiful days sites that way, innit?
It's that way, yeah. At Honiton, other side of Honiton. Exeter radar, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra, passing 1,500 feet, maximum altitude 2,500 feet, request basic service.
Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra Exeter radar, basic service.
Basic service, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra.
Helimed 70 Alpha, keep a good lookout ahead of your track by about 3 miles. There's a PA28 operating at the moment, 1,800 feet in the climb.
Helimed 70 Alpha, thank you.
Upmore 14, keep a good lookout northeast of you by 2 miles. The air ambulance reaching southwestbound, 1,500 feet at the moment.
We're visual with the traffic, we're 1,800 level, we'll be looking for a rejoin any second now, Dunmore 14.
More 14, roger, stand by for joining instructions.
In over Greeley.
There we go, yeah. Oh, yeah, Murray.
Helimed 70 Alpha, thank you.
There's the helicopter alert.
Good
Just there.
afternoon, Exeter radar, Golf Echo Sierra Romeo Charlie requesting a traffic service.
Golf Romeo Charlie, you are identified traffic service.
Traffic service, Golf Romeo Charlie.
Where's that? Is that Holden Belvedere, that castle thing down there? Can you see it?
Belvedere's over there.
Oh, what's that little castle then? That?
I don't know. Oh, that's Powderham Folly, isn't it?
Oh, right, okay. And there's Powderham Castle down there.
Yeah. No, Holden Belvedere's over
Oh,
there.
miles away. That's the white one, isn't it?
Yeah, I can just see the top of it.
Okay.
House.
Hey.
See our house.
Yep.
Greenstone 93 X-ray, turn right heading 350 degrees.
Right heading 350 degrees, Greenstone 93 X-ray.
Greenstone 93 X-ray, resume main navigation.
An aeroplane just down there somewhere.
Greenstone 93 X-ray.
Just on your side, somewhere. Hey. Yeah.
Over there. Just going over those fields.
How's him?
Greenstone 93 X-ray, under radar control, contact Cardiff radar 125.855.
5855 for radar control,
I thought it was a flex wing, but it isn't.
Huh?
I thought it was a flex wing, but it isn't.
No. It's Cockington.
Yeah.
Golf Romeo Charlie, squawk 4323.
Squawk 4323, Golf Romeo Charlie.
Golf Charlie Echo November Whiskey, squawk con security and free call Niki radar 133.405.
Squawk Cons Security, contact Niki radar 127 133.405. Golf November Whiskey.
Golf November Whiskey, over. Good day.
Hey, thank you.
What?
Golf, both air traffic, Golf Alpha X-ray and Jaro about to join downwind for 11 right hand.
Let's go over Greenway. Yeah, about to go over now.
Oh, are we? Oh, right, okay.
Hello, 706 confirm status. Hello, 70 Echo, that's the radar confirm established.
Established on the final approach track, Helimed 70 Echo.
70 Echo,
Lemon.
contact Exeter,
Yeah.
119.805.
805, Helimed 70 Echo.
Golf Sierra Sierra, request frequency change to SafetyCom 1354 for bulkhead.
Golf Sierra Sierra, AFM, squawk con security and free call SafetyCom 135.480.
Squawk 7000 and call SafetyCom, Golf Sierra Sierra.
Grandma's old house down there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Look, a yacht race or something gone out like there, look. See?
Oh yeah. Full sands.
Okay, radio, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra is 10 miles to the north, inbound to land on runway 11, boathead traffic. There's loads of sailing boats out, there's a load more down here. Traffic, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra is joining downwind for runway 11, boathead traffic.
Boathead traffic, runway vacated.
Can you see it over there? The runway?
No. Oh yeah. See the windsock as well.
Traffic, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra is downwind for 11, boathead traffic. That's the hotel just there and there, just down there.
Right.
Traffic, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra, is turning final for runway 11, Bullhead traffic. Bit bumpy that. Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra, runway vacated.
Building to have out here, what was that then?
This was an old World War II airfield.
Also. Red one.
Bullhead traffic, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra is taxiing for 11. traffic. Golf Sierra Sierra is entering 11, backtracking. Golf Sierra, Bulkhead traffic. Traffic, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra is taking off runway 11.
Salcombe, isn't it?
Yeah.
Busy harbour, lots of boats coming in and out.
Yeah.
Reminds me of Foy.
Yeah,
They're all very similar, aren't they?
Does a bit, doesn't it? Yeah.
They're all very similar.
Traffic, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra is leaving to the north and returning to Exeter, changing to 128.4980.
Denver 1 minute, Metro, turn right heading 2803.
Welcome to Exeter, for information.
Craft out, must be a regatta or something.
Yeah, something's going on, isn't it? Definitely.
And extra radar, Golf Lima Victor. Do nothing further for me. I'm happy to squawk 7000, go en route. I want to have a look at a farm strip near Dunkery Beacon.
Golf Lima Victor, sorry, say again?
If nothing further to effect, I'd like to change en route and squawk 7000. There's a farm strip I want to have a look at near Dunkery Beacon.
Logan 4 units, Metro, turn right heading 040 degrees, closing the localizer from the right, report established.
040 degrees, close from the right, will come to one information.
Lima Victor, thank you. Nothing further for you. Squawk on security and continue on route. Bye.
Lima Victor, many thanks.
And the church.
Oh yeah, you see it, can you? I can't see it from here.
No.
Exeter radar, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra.
Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra, Exeter radar, squawk 0426 and pass through details.
Squawk 0426, Golf Mike Romeo 00, is an Ikarus C42 from Bolthead to Exeter, currently overhead Dartmouth at 3,000 feet on 1023, request basic service.
Golf Sierra Sierra, that's all copied. Basic service. Report when you have the airfield in sight, runway 08 in use.
Runway 08, report field in sight, we'll go, Golf Sierra Sierra.
This is radar, Golf Romeo Victor, India Victor 4 basic.
Golf Romeo Victor, India Victor, Exeter radar, squawk 0412, and pass your details.
412. Golf Romeo Victor, India Victor is an RV4 from Bolthead to Watford Farm. Currently just passing north and west of Dartmouth, 2,500 feet, 1023. Visual will be the traffic, requesting basic service.
Golf India Victor, that's all copied. Basic service, Exeter QNH 1023.
Service 1023, Golf India Victor.
Golf Foxtrot Oscar X-ray Alpha, Exeter radar, are you on frequency? Golf Sierra Sierra, new QNH 1022.
Roger, QNH 1022, Golf Sierra Sierra.
Golf X-ray Alpha, squawk 0422.
Zero 42 for X-ray Alpha. Did you say 442 or 0042?
Golf X-ray Alpha, squawk 0422.
The radar Golf Oscar Yankee India Oscar passing 2,200 feet, request basic service.
Golf Oscar Yankee India Oscar, Exeter radar, good afternoon, basic service.
Basic service, Golf Oscar Yankee India Oscar.
Much smoother coming back, isn't it? Told you it would be.
You did.
Bravo X-ray, traffic in sight.
Golf Bravo X-ray, roger.
There's a Dawlish Warren Eye down there. Big wheel.
Is there? Oh yeah.
Blimey.
And one over at X-Magnet. They're getting everywhere, breeding.
Blimey.
The radar, glider 7 backwards for a basic service.
Rider 7, extra radar, squawk 0424 and standby.
Glider 7 negative, come from bottom. Exeter radar, good afternoon. Golf, Oscar, Mike, Sierra, Flamingo for a basic service.
Sierra, Sierra, field in sight.
Golf Sierra, Sierra, join right base, runway 08.
Join right base 08, Golf Sierra, Sierra.
Golf Sierra, Sierra, contact Exeter Tower 119.805.
Exeter Tower 119.805, Golf Sierra, Sierra.
Exeter destination.
Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra, joining right base for 08.
Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra, Exeter Tower, good afternoon. Are you able to accept the short circuit?
Hey, sir, Golf Sierra Sierra.
Golf Sierra Sierra, Roger, report final, your number 1, and to be advised, number 2 is a Boeing 737, joining on a 10-mile final via ILS, runway 08.
Roger, report final 08, Golf Sierra Sierra.
Contact Exeter radar 128.980, good day.
Can't hear you.
Oh, don't worry.
Radar 128.980, Shuttle 4, thank you. Ryanair 8030, hello.
Ryanair 8030, Exeter Tower, good afternoon. Continue approach. Number 2, number 1 is a C42 on a 1-mile final to land. Golf Sierra Sierra, runway 08, Southwest wind 08905 knots, clear to land.
08, clear to land, Golf Sierra Sierra.
Ryanair 8030, continue approaching, expect bank landing clearance number 2.
0.
Shut the doors.
Golf Sierra Sierra, vacate left, taxi echo for northwest.
Vacate on Echo, Golf Sierra Sierra.
Good afternoon, Stoney 514, back with you for his right, just passing northwest, Soar Mill.
Ryanair 8030, runway 08, surface wind 080 at 4 knots. You are cleared to land.
I didn't get that in before that.
Stoney 514, back to the tower, good afternoon.
Okay.
Report a 4 mile final, runway 08. You're number 2 in traffic, number 1 is a 737, it's on a 2 mile final now.
Go ahead, clear 4 miles for runway 08, yeah, 5 walker.
Ryanair 8030, continue to the end, 180 backtrack, vacate left, taxiway Charlie. If you could expedite the backtrack, we have a twin otter, approximately 5 miles out to land.
Yeah, turn off at the end, expect backtrack, speed out backtrack, Ryanair 8030.